Okay, anyone else? Any idea apart from this how to work this particular application? Okay, so for the recording purpose, the class always recorded by the industrial training internship. Okay, you can ask your own language. If you are comfortable in Bengali, you can do this. If you are comfortable English or Hindi, you can ask. Okay, ask on your own languages. But I always reply regarding the class. Okay, so next, anyone know what is visualizations? What is data visualizations, data analysis, and business analysis? So you all are MBA student. Anyone can answer. What is data visualization, or what is data analysis, and what is business analysis? Vishwajit, Sanjeevan, Sony, Sayaf, Prisha, Ritik, Rajaram.
So the data we get, that data we can present in graphs like chart and anything. So we can understand more clearly. So that is visualization like dashboard. There are variables kind of charts and data is given.
Okay, and what is data analysis?
So the data we get, so we have to take out some outcomes that this data, what is that data is trying to present, and that is it depends on person how they analyze that data, how they understand that what data is actually wanted to tell and something like that.
Okay. If anyone want to write, you can write in your chat box. Okay. So any mic issue or any or anyone join from your mobile, so you can write on chat box and answer. Okay, but desktop or laptop is required for your Power BI installation. Okay, it is the necessary requirement. Okay, and next is business analysis. So hope you all are coming from MBA background. So your MBA is completed or you are pursuing?
Sir, we are pursuing it. Sir, we are in second
So
year.
okay, so your college is situated Sonarpur.
Yes, sir.
Sonarpur. Tirtha. Okay. Uh, okay. So anyone? Okay. So first, what is data visualization? Sony already said. So data visualization. Hello. Okay. So basically, data visualization is so suppose company has some data and company want to know the insights from particular data and take the decision from a short term and long term purpose. So how company take the decision? Company take the decision based on assumption, based on hypothesis, or based on data driven. So always company takes decision based on data driven, data related. So that's why we need the data visualizations. So we get some raw data and we transform the data a meaningful graph or presentation. So we create some reports, dashboard, some graphs. Okay, so this is the main thing of visualization. And next is what is data analysis. Basically, data analysis is in right circumstances. So every company has a lot of data. So how to company build their business? So main priority for build business is making profit. So company always try to make profit. But if your growth or profit is continuous, company takes some decision for long term and short term. So how to company take the decisions? So company analyze their data and take the valuable decision for their company's growth. Okay, so that's why we use the data analysis. So right now, data is one kind of asset for every company. And next is business analysis. Business is related to company's perspective. If Zomato related to foods and beverages, regarding business. So they analyze their data based on fruits and beverages industry. If Tata Motors analyze their data regarding to car manufacturing or car sales purpose related data. So anything is regarding to data analysis. One part is business analysis, how their business grow in the last few years or across the all years, and next how to business run or how to make the growth. Okay, so basically this is the term. So next we will start what is Power BI. So basically Power BI is a data visualizations and business intelligence tools or BI tools that converts data from different data sources to interactive dashboards and BI reports. So this is the basically related to Power BI, and now how to use Power BI or how to download the Power BI. So first always remember we need some minimum laptop or desktop features or requirement for installing Power BI. So first is you need Windows 10 or 11 for installing Power BI. Okay, your operating system must be Windows 10 or 11. Windows 7, Windows XP are not allowed to installing the Power BI software. Basically, this is the heavy software, business analytics software or business intelligence tools related software. So we must install Windows 10 or 11. Next requirement is your RAM minimum requirement 4 GB. If it is 8 GB or more than that, it is good for us. Okay, so these two things are minimum requirement to installing a Power BI. And next, how to install the Power BI. Have a look. I will share my screen. It was okay. So my screen is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So first, just look at this. This is already open. So first of all, this is my desktop screen. So if you have Windows 10 or 11, go to Microsoft Store. If icon is there in your task button, you can click or just write Store. Okay. So first of all, open the Microsoft Store and write Power BI Desktop. Okay. Always remember choose Power BI Desktop, not Report Builder. Okay. So Power BI Desktop. A new window will appear. Now this is your main screen and click on this option. I already installed, that's why it is open showing, but if in your machine it is get. So click on this and download first. Okay. Who join from your laptop or desktop? First of all, do this. Okay, if anyone facing any issues, okay, write on or just speak. How many students in your group? Ritik sir, right now I am facing internet issue. Can I download the software later? Yes, no issue. How many students in your group? This second year group? Only 14 or 15 join. Others are going to visit Puja Mandap. In case created any WhatsApp group regarding this course purpose. Okay, already created. So it is very pathetic to take the class on this time continuously. Background sound already. Sir, I have some. Okay, no issue. If anyone completed, please tell me. Okay, okay. Downloading is done. Can you share, Sony? I just stopped the presenting. Okay, okay. No issue. So this is your first training, online training regarding this type of software regarding courses. What did before? Anything else? All are know the advanced Excel? Anyone know advanced Excel? Well, not a basic Excel, advanced Excel. If anyone already did advanced Excel, so this is the benefit for his or her. So basically the advanced Excel, some advanced Excel's concept are presenting in Power BI. So that's why if anyone already did the advanced Excel, so it is helpful for his or her. But otherwise, if anyone not familiar with Excel, so don't worry. After the complete the session, I think college will arrange some workshop or regarding advanced Excel. College did before many times.
Yes, sir.
Previous batches, I already took the classes, Power BI and Tableau, and I took the advanced Excel. also. So Vishwajit sir is your mentor right now. Okay, so hope it is take time. Okay, because of heavy software. So I just share my screen first of all. How it is look first. So it is look like this type of. Okay, so because of my system theme is dark, that's why it's present this type of things. But in your system, it is background is white. So first you need to click a blank report. So get this type of home page. Okay. So everyone understood what I am saying
Yes, sir.
or clear? Any issues, any question you can write. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you don't ask, I don't know you are understood or not. So main thing is you understood, okay, regarding these things, because something is related to your skill and something is related to your basic concept. So both are required for your job or internship. Okay. Okay. So next, first of all, next is why Power BI. So first of all, previously we already uh, did what is Power BI. Basically, Power BI is a business intelligence tools. It's help us to convert data from the different sources and make us or gives us some interactive report, dashboard, graphs and charts. So this is the main thing of Power BI or Power BI done this type of work. But next is why Power BI? Why not other BI tools? Why Power BI? First thing is for goodwill purpose. So we all know Power BI developing by Microsoft Corporation. So Microsoft Corporation do their work since 90s. So they made Windows lot of things for us. So this is firstly priority is the goodwill. So Microsoft very well known organization and their goodwill is remarkable. Next is connectivity from many sources. So sometimes my company record the data into a Excel. Others company SQL Server. Some companies text file, CSV file, JSON file, any cloud related platform, any warehouse. Okay, lot of variety of sources of data. But in the Power BI, if you Click on get data option. Now you can see all connecting sources are available here. Enter world, lot of things are maintained. Someone is Excel, text and CSV, XML, JSON file, folder, PDF, SharePoint, SQL Server, Access, IBM database, lot of things. Online services, Azure, Power Platform, Microsoft Fabric, any database. Okay, so this is the second goodwill. So that's why we use Power BI. Third one is cheap cost. So Power BI cost are cheap related to others BI tools like Tableau or others BI tools. Okay, so third one is pricing. Fourth one is it provides us 20 plus more graphical visualizations. Okay, fifth one is recognized by Gartner company. So Gartner, one of the company who rating the BI companies. Okay, so Gartner already rated A plus plus for the this particular software. And next is maximum features like data modeling, data connectivity, data cleaning, all are including this Power BI software. So that's why we want to purchasing this particular software for our organization or for our working purpose. So this is the main thing for using Power BI. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this kind of question always asking in your interview why we use the Power BI, not others. So you just explain. This is the thing. And next is component of Power BI. Okay, what is the component of Power BI? What is the features of Power BI? First of all, components or main things. The first thing is Power Query. So basically, Power Query used from data cleaning, data transformations, and load. So that's why we called Power BI a ETL tool. ETL means extract, transform, load. Okay. So sometimes if we are getting data from a lot of sources, some unwanted columns, row, null value already in our database. So this is not required for us in our visualization. Okay. So first we need a cleaning. So that's why Power Query is one of the component of Power BI. This particular part is cleaning your data and gives you a clean structural data for your visualization purpose. Okay, so this is the main priority of Power Query. So that's why we call Power BI as ETL tool. Okay, ETL means extract, transform, and load. Next is Power Pivot. So what is Power Pivot? Basically, Power Pivot is one of the component. It is used for data modeling. So what is data modeling? Anyone know what is data modeling? Or hear the term data modeling? Anyone familiar with DBMS or RDBMS or database regarding anything? This is the database. Okay. Anyone, tell your own language. Okay. If you are comfortable in Hindi, you do this. If you are comfortable Bengali, you can ask any language. Okay. I will answer. Oh, see, anyone? Sony, do you know what is database, TBMS, RTBMS, or what is database?
Database is in
Vishwajit
information.
Jano, others, anyone? যে কেউ বলতে পারো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। না বললে বুঝতে পারবো না, ভুল বলো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, তাহলে শিখতে পারবে। এনিওয়ান, এনি concept regarding database?
So when we get data that is raw, then we processed it and we get knowledge and we try to turn it into information. So that whole process, filtering the data and trying to convert it into visuals to understand, get more insight into the data. That whole process is called database.
Okay, first of all, basically the simple procedure is, what is database? Where the data is storing. Okay, this is the database. So your college has some database regarding student, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Database. So basically, database, the this is the thing. Their data is stored a structural manner. Okay, if I want to know about Sony Sao, so first of all, I need to write your name. So maybe your college, your first of all, your group, maybe lots of Sonys, 2, 3, 4. So in my first, someone is Sony Sao, someone is Sony, surname is others, or maybe Sony Sao is 2 or 3 times. But I found you. So why I found you? Because I want to know your data. So next is, I just write Sony Sao second year MBA. Okay, maybe Sony Sao second year BBA also. Sony Sao second year others, any courses. Okay, so basically database, the particular things where data is stored the structural manner. If I want to later some data from this database, I will get the simplest way. So this is the main thing is database. So next thing is, sometimes company has lot of database. Database 1, database 2, database 3, database 4, database 5, database 6. So all are accommodate in a DW. DW means data warehouse, where data are collected or gathering. Okay. So how to connect D1 to D2, D2 to D3? So this is called data modeling, or in the simplest term, the relationship between two or more tables. So this part is connected to Power Pivot. So Power Pivot is this particular component. It is used for data modeling or to build a relationship between two or more tables. Okay, get it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is Power View. So Power View is main thing is, Power View help us to produce different kind of charts. presentation, report, and dashboard. All those things are presented by the Power View components. Okay, clear? And next last component is Power BI services. So what is Power BI services? Basically, Power BI services are cloud platform where store your data. Basically, this is used for sharing your data to entire world or communication purpose. Got it? So basically, Power BI services, the part of Power BI, okay, like a Google Drive or OneDrive, where you store your data and anyone want to know your work, you are sharing your this particular link, and if I want to see your data, see your report, I want to uh, invest in your business. So that's why I want to know your dashboard, your report, others, anything other related to charts, graphs, or any others thing. So I directly click on that link and jump into the Power BI services and see your report and take my decision if I am purchasing your company share or not. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so those four components are compact into a Power BI services. So that's why Power BI are most important for us or any company to find out or analyze their data as a data driven or meaningful way. Because if you are not analysis your data scientifically data driven, you don't take any decision by assumption or hypothesis based because of lots of money are involving in that situation. If you are taking any decision wrong, your company get a trouble because of lot of money like a crores involving in that particular manner. Okay, so if you are advertised anything any regarding, so first of all always try to analysis your data in a scientific way. So that's why Amazon, Flipkart, Netflix, all others companies always take the data from customer point of view and store the data server and get the data. The analytical teams always analysis the particular data and the particular related customer taste, you get your offer. If you are biryani lover, you get the discount from for the particular biryani related dish. Okay, if I am veg, I offer the veg related dish. If you are Netflix subscriber, so always you can so Netflix combine the your watch list or according to your taste. Netflix always gives you the advertisement. So this is our these things you can get these offer. Okay. So how company do this? The company do the same procedure. First of all, they collect the all the information from us, analysis and individually or regionally. Okay. So clear
Yes, sir.
how BI tools or Power any BI tools work this kind of architecture. First of all, get data from another sources and next the make the report insights whatever you have and then publish their report dashboard into the cloud portion for your security manner. Okay, you never share your raw data from share your raw data to others. Okay, if you share your raw data with me, I just edit your name, and so this is the my word. So this is the main threat to companies. Okay, so that's why company or any BI tools suggest the cloud component or Power BI services. This is the one of the thing. If you want to see any report, any communication, you just click on link, jump into the field, and see your result, or take your decision. So this is the basically architecture or mechanism to do the Power BI. This is the same thing. If you want to learning Tableau, same thing. It's just software is different, navigation is different. So next we want to some data set. Okay, so how to download the data set? So first of all, insert a new tab and type sample global sample superstore 2016 Excel download or Excel file. Okay, so if you are doing this, you can see lot of things are available here. So click on this particular link, sample superstore sales Excel Power BI documents. Okay, and you get the data set, and this particular data set we use for our learning sessions. Okay,
Sir, you can please give the link.
uh give the link, but I think I still I not joined in your WhatsApp group. Just a minute, I am trying to join. I just a minute, just a little. Wait a few minutes. If I am joining, then I will share the data set. This is already downloaded in my system. I just show you. Okay. So this is the data set. Well, basically, this is the data set. Or anyone try to download if you find out the this particular things Power BI docx.com. If you are writing just this way, global sample superstore 2016 Excel download.
Sir, it is not coming.
Okay, so don't worry. Just I will show you. Okay, how to work if I am joining. I think sir is busy right now, so uh, that that not got. Okay, don't worry. Just do. So this is your main Excel workbook or Excel dataset. So some companies are given your Excel file, some companies are given you SQL server link. Whatever you have, don't worry. Just first of all, you just open this one and uh, read this. This lot of columns are available here. I think more than 10 columns. Okay, and now you just open your Power BI homepage, and this is your first step to how to get data. So click on get data option, and right now my work Excel workbook is available. So I just click on Excel workbook option and go to my dataset. Click on this particular data, global sample superstore. Okay, and click on open. So you can. This is the process of ETL. It's already work. If you get data, the navigator will appear, and this particular Excel sheet has Excel workbook has three sheets. First one is order, second one is in people, and third one is written. If you want to drag three, you just click on three option. If you do not, you just want to select orders, so you can click orders only. And return, this is the preview section. Okay, so I will do once more. Get Excel workbook, choose your data set, path or location. And so this is the main thing is Power BI quite smart. So Power BI already start their filtering section or start their ETL. Okay, you just click the orders and you get the preview. So you can check, yes, this is my thing. Row ID is first and order priority is my last column. And click on load option. Okay, get it?
Yes, sir.
How to do this? So this is the simple thing. Okay, just just so just okay. So go to the main thing. Okay, so click on load option. Next, you can see Power BI already start the work. Load first, checking your data and drive. Okay, so now you can see your data is there. Okay, this is the data panel where your connected data are available here. Okay, got it? And this is the arranged by alphabetically manners. Okay, This is the alphabetically manner. So this is the Power BI uh, main window, and the middle portion is your canvas. So build your report here, and there is three tools. Okay. So my first tools is filter pen. This is the filter pen. Second is visualization pen, and third is data pen. If you get lot of data, all data are available here. So you can see. So I just take only one data set here. So that's why the one data set is here. Okay. Next, this is the visualization pen. You can use lot of visualizations. Okay. According to your scenarios. And this is the main canvas part. Okay. And next thing is, if you want to get more pages or more canvas, you just click this plus sign related to Excel. Okay. Next thing is, always remember, because of this is the uh, Power BI desktop uh, application. Okay. This particular application used for maintain Power BI reports, dashboard, make the graph or charts. Okay. So some barriers or limitation are here. First, if you get data, okay, so the data must be 1 GB, not more than that. If you get data more than 1 GB, you need to pro license. Otherwise, you can't. Okay, first thing. Because of this particular application is related to advertisement purpose. Company gives us for advertisement purpose. If we used, we think this is the correct for our company, then we will purchasing the license or pro version. But next thing is, if you are publishing Power BI report or dashboard into a Power BI services, you need to organization's mail ID, not personal mail ID. @gmail.com is not available here. Okay, you need a personal, you need a organization mail ID. Okay, something like .co.in. Okay, so these two things.
Sir, you can repeat the last one.
Okay, basically, if you want to publish your report, so sometime I want to publish my report. If I clicking publish option, so you can see what this is. Power BI asks. First of all, save this. Okay, if I save the file, uh, FiEM, just FiEM 2024 October. So I save it first. So I save it. So you can see Power BI desktop better together, sign you into enhance your collaboration to access organization content. So you need a organization mail ID. If you are writing your mail ID, this @gmail.com, Power BI can't recognize. So Power BI only recognize your organization mail ID, like your name @thiscompany.co.in. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
So these two things always remember. If you get data more than 1 GB, you can't, because this is the free version for the advertisement purpose. And next, if you want to publish it, okay, so don't do this. I have already a organization mail ID. I get this is from my company. So in our last session for Power BI, or uh, I will teach you how to publish the report. Okay. Or if you have already any college email ID, so you can do this. Next, if we build any report, so first thing is we have proper knowledge regarding to data visualizations, graph or chart. So anyone know when to use clustered column chart or column chart? Anyone before did any clustered column chart or column chart in your Excel project or any project? How to create graph or chart? Anyone pie chart or clustered column chart or bar chart?
Sir, to see the minimum percentage of some.
No, this is the main thing, not a minimum percentage for column or
Sir, for pi.
pie. Okay. Or any others? Anything related to percentage or any barriers or any limitation in pie charts? So we will learn details in our sessions. So why we
So
use?
we can
Okay, okay. Tell me. Any query? Tell me, or if you want to tell something regarding pie or column chart, first of all, tell me. Then I will.
I was just stating that column chart is more appropriate for comparing two
Oh,
different
yes,
values
yes,
or
yes. Okay. So first, one thing we always remember: if we create any chart, we need to measure things. First is dimension, and second is measure. If you know what is dimension, what is measure, anyone, what is dimension and what is measure? I think all are already heard the term dimension and measures. Anyone, if you are telling wrong, don't bother. Just do it. So, sir, this is the dimension and this is the measure.
Sir, dimension in the viewpoint.
Dimension means the
Viewpoint of something.
viewpoint, not exactly that. Or measure means,
it is like a quantitative data or which we
okay.
can
So
measure.
I just elaborate as simple. So first of all, uh, if we get data from another sources, first of all, any BI tools divided the fields between two things. One is dimension and second is measure. So if we getting the orders here, so you can see this is your field, customer, sorry, category, city, country, customer ID, customer name. Now you can look some columns field name has some icon, this type of icon, sigma sign. Okay, so Power BI or any BI tools distinguish the particular columns into two things. First is dimension and second is measure. So here is sigma signs like postal code, profit, quantity, reason, pro ID, sales. So these all are measurable part. So what is measurable part? So sales is our some values. So I can aggregate it, this particular sales. If I want to change uh, to sum to count, count to average, average to maximum, maximum to minimum. So those all are fields are measurable part. Okay, like profit, quantity, row ID, any numeric, any valuable is your measurable part or measures. Okay, and apart from this, all are dimensions like category, city, country. Okay, customer ID, customer name, market. But one thing is here, order date has some new icon, which is like a calendar icon. Okay, basically show you this particular field has some hierarchy, which is year, quarter, month, and date. We learn what is hierarchy, how to create a hierarchy. Okay, but basically hierarchy is a so basically hierarchy is a maintain your data set in a uh, tree or branches wise. Okay, so that's why any order date is already by default as a hierarchy like year, quarter, month, and date. So if you are clicking shift date, you can see this is also a hierarchy part, which is related to order, quarter, and month. Okay, so clear what is dimension and measure? Any valuable part which is measurable or which is converted to sum to average, average to maximum, maximum to minimum. Those are measurable field or measurable part. And apart from this, all are dimensions or any order date related. Okay, those are by default as a hierarchy part. So hierarchy basically save your data set as a branch or tree manners. Okay, just like a year, quarter, month, and days, or days, month, year, and quarter. It is a expand and collapse part. So that's why these two are the by default a hierarchy field. So this is are also a dimension. So sigma signs all are measured, and apart from this, all are dimension. So basically, BI tools discriminate their fields in two ways. One is dimension and one is measure. Okay, done. Understood? Any question? Okay. Anyone? Any question?
Sir, can you please show how to get the file, that file? I tried to get it, but I didn't
Okay.
get.
One thing. If I joined, I will share. Okay, the file. So our
Okay,
next class, maybe next week after the pujas.
okay,
So I hope I will share the data set. Okay. If you are getting any data, you can download, but otherwise I share.
okay,
When I joined, I will share. Okay, on this group. Okay. So before we conclude, I just take the attendance. Okay, don't leave, just leave. Okay, first is okay. So okay. So Sony Sao present.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditya Kundu.
Yes, sir, present.
Next, Aishwarya Ghosh.
Yes, sir, present.